Less caffeine, more creatine. Drink your water in between. I already trained chest, shoulders and triceps this morning in my routine. And I've got my creatine. Creatine is one of the most researched products out there. But if you can't get your basics right, then your supplements won't work. So what is the basics? The basics is eating right and healthy, sleeping well and training hard. Then put that in your routine. Klaar gepraat.